Hi friends, very good morning. Really glad to meet everybody online on Facebook Live. So today we are going to present to you guys about our upcoming jobathon. So it is like a marathon. So why we call it as a jobathon is mainly it is a long run. So you have to find multiple companies, and then that's the race to your dream job. So what's interesting about this e-jobathon from UR Digital? So this is going to be our first online job fair for 2021, which is going to happen on 3rd of April, which is the coming Saturday, from morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 12 p.m. So it's a 2 hour event. So a lot of exciting things will be part of the event. And definitely, I'm going to showcase more about this event and how you can benefit as well. So, why someone should attend the e-jobathon? E because it's online, so that's why we call it as e-jobathon. Firstly, we provide employment opportunities. So, UR Digital itself has close to about 10 to 12 companies which is hiring for more than 100 openings. Plus, you will also get opportunity to interview for a lot of other companies as well. Everything, at the comfort of your home or office. So basically, you can attend this online job fair from anywhere. Secondly, we also provide you the networking, which means that you can interact with a lot of other job seekers online. So because of COVID and a lot of restrictions, so we have uh, made this initiative of going online. So you can meet a lot of job seekers and recruiting HRs from various organizations online. Plus, there's a lot of shift happened, post COVID. So we will be definitely giving you some insights, which are the companies and which are the industries which is in the hiring mode, and what kind of career that you need to choose in order to have a very successful career. Plus, it's going to be a virtual hiring. So all you need to have is internet connection and a smartphone or a laptop or a desktop to connect it and give you interviews. And it is going to be a 100% free event to attend. So you don't have to pay anything to register. So it's absolutely free. So let's look at some of the benefits. If you are a HR of any organization, or if you're a business owner looking to hire some people for your organization or for your company, you will see that you can, get a lot of candidates attend this event, and then you can quickly hire the talent, and then go ahead with your uh, recruitment process. Next, we will also be promoting the companies which are taking part in this event. So we already started our first campaign. So there will be emailers, there will be live presentations, and there will be social media campaigns to promote your brand. And again, you will have an opportunity to network with a lot of HRs and business owners from other organizations as well. Plus, uh, this is a good opportunity for us to collaborate online. So they did a survey in the last 25 years. The collaboration has reduced by 25%, which means the stress has increased by 25%. So we need to collaborate, and opportunities like this is a wonderful way to interact and coordinate with each other. Now, if you are a job seeker, I know a lot of candidates are still struggling to get a job, and to get a job in this pandemic difficult times. Uh, I know how painful it is and how tough it is. So that's the reason why we create opportunities like this for you to showcase your skills and get hired for the best company. So in terms of benefits for the job seekers, you can apply for multiple jobs online. You also get some fantastic industry insights. So it gives you a clear picture. So which industry to choose, which company to choose, and which position is right position during these difficult times for you to have a strong career. And the best part again is the virtual interviews. So you don't have to worry about meeting somebody in person. So it's completely online. And few of the industries that we already have openings from your digital, starting from healthcare, manufacturing, information technology, retail, fast moving consumer goods, that is FMCG, and consumer durables, for e-commerce, logistics. And again, we are expanding our team as well. You are consulting for HR business. We already have close to about 4 to 5 candidates being hired for this month alone. So we'll be adding on at least half a dozen people in the next month. So the beauty is that you can again work virtually, right? Great. So that's a short presentation about Jobathon. I'm sure that you guys can take advantage and the benefits of attending this program. And if you're wondering how to apply or how to register for this e-Jobathon, all you have to do is follow us on your digital official page. Just go to our Facebook and search for your digital. You get our official page. You can just like us, and we have already posted the the registration links. So it's absolutely free. So please go ahead and register. You can also follow us on LinkedIn as well. You can also see us on the UR Digital LinkedIn page. You already created the event. So please do take up this opportunity and make the best of it. So look forward to see you guys on Saturday, and have a great weekend.